This is our Ogo composting toilet. We're working on the bathroom in here so that we can put the Ogo in and the washing machine. So Bobby is popping off this trim, and the purpose of this is because we're going to put beadboard on the bottom, and I'm thinking we're going to put the teal paint. We're going to paint this teal up here, and the cabinets will be white.
Yeah.
But the Ogo will go right there where the garbage can is. He takes this one out, and the washing machine, excuse me, sir. The washing machine, he's going to build a bump out right here, and the washing machine is going to sit back in here. So we will see. What do you think?
We'll see.
Always working. Okay, we are working on the bathroom. He's already taken all of the tile off, and this part here is not an easy job, but once you get your little tool under there, it's not too bad to get off. Let's see here, I'll show you. Oh. See there? You can just pry it up. I mean, it's a time-consuming job, but that's the way it goes. So, not too bad. Not too bad at all. And all of this from here down is going to be covered in beadboard. So, you won't see any of this, because see how it tore up the wall getting that tile off. But that's okay. We'll get her done. Y'all wish us luck. Well, I got it all off. So the beadboard will just go right up here, right above that. It was a job and a half, let me tell you. And we're not worried about this wall right here, because it's the wall that's going to be bumped out. So he's going to have to reframe and all that good stuff back there. But, yep, there it is. All on the floor. Got to suck it up with the wet vac. We have the toilet out. Woohoo! Takes a lot more work than what you think.
Ogo? What's it called?
Ogo.
Ogo.
He calls it the Ugo.
Ugo. Ugo. No, I hooked the power. It has to have 12 volts. So I ran it up from underneath and put it in the fuse panel, which is, fuse panel is out this way and down at the front bottom. And I fused it with a 3-amp fuse.
So this cord here is for the fan for the toilet.
Mm-hmm. Plugs in back there.
Awesome. Okay. And you're going to make this all pretty.
Oh, yeah. Well, we cover that all up with the new paneling. I had to cut some holes to see where I could drill through.
Right.
But I couldn't drill back there, so I had to bring it up here. See the front hole there?
Right.
And go down that way to the fuse bus.
Okay.
The 12-volt fuse bus.
And you sealed all the holes that the other toilet was making a mess of.
Yeah. The leaky one. Leaky pee and poo and everything else. It was just nasty.
Yeah. And he took the carpet off the back there. So when we do flooring, we're gonna cover that with the flooring.
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna be all nice.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
The washing machine will sit there once I bump that wall back.
Yeah. And so you're gonna bring that about right here?
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Okay.
And that should get it. I'll be behind this line.
All right.
The washing machine. So.
And that leaves us plenty of room in the bathroom to shut it while you're sitting on the toilet.
Yeah, you can shut the door while you're
His toes might stick out.
No. Taking care of business.
But that's our white elephant in the room.
Not for much longer. It's going in here.
So right now he's about to cut the well. You're going to cut the carpet out.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay, we'll find out what's under here. So for now, we're only cutting the carpet out for where the wall is going to be bumped out.
Yeah, the wall should end right about here somewhere. I just want to give myself plenty of room.
Well, don't forget we have a bench that sits under that window. I hate this carpet, y'all. It's dirty.
Oh, it's rotten. It's just old. It's
18 years old. The flooring goes the vinyl goes all the way under?
Yeah, it looks like it's going. It stops right here.
It stops right there.
Yeah, it's where a lot of them do that. Whew, it smells.
Ugh. All right. Continue with your work, man.
Yep.
We'll check back in with y'all in a little. We got all the framing done for the bump out. And Mr. Childers is now working with the plumbing right there.
Gotta turn that. You gotta bring it out with a 90 and turn it that way.
So it'll be easier to operate and set inside perfectly.
The hose comes around this way, and having it at a 90 this way is better. It was all temporary anyway to get it going.
Sweet. Okay, let me go in here for a minute. Now you can see the bump out. That's where the washer is going to sit. Perfect. Woohoo! It actually sits right about this wall right here, which is pretty awesome. There, he got it. Woohoo!
Man, that dang thing is, it's a damned if you do kind of thing, damned if you don't.
Oh, look how good this man is. Woohoo!
Wow.
All right. Privacy in the bathroom. Awesome. So we finished the bump out, got it all framed out, and we started on the bathroom, painting the cabinets, and we painted the wall in the back so we can put the washing machine in here. I'm excited for that. So this here is the railing for the fifth wheel. They had it covered in wood and carpet. Well, we like it just plain, so we took all that off so it's a cleaner look. And of course, you know, we still have to lay the flooring in here. Lots to still do, but it is going to come together, I promise. So what we doing now, big man?
We're going to put some flooring in here. Taking this old floor out. This old RV flooring. It's a good vinyl. It's just aged. It's old.
Yeah. And look, y'all, I painted. Doesn't it look pretty? I like it. We got a few touch-ups to do, but, you know, some caulking and that kind of thing. Bobby had to Bondo the floor there so that it could be smooth for us to lay the flooring. Everything else looks pretty darn good. Yeah, pretty darn good. I'm excited to lay this flooring. Okay, today we are laying the flooring. The Bondo is all smooth. Bobby sanded it out. And I'm putting on the primer so that the vinyl flooring will stick. When you put it on, it kind of turns a white looking color, and when it's dry, it's all clear and shiny. So here we go, and we're using Henry's 336. There you go. It's for peel and stick vinyl flooring, and he's trying to make a template to go around this corner and this corner on the same piece of tile. We shall see. So Mr. Childers is cutting out for around the door frame.
Yeah, ain't nothing like it. I don't have the tools, so you just engineer it best you can with what you got.
That's it.
No bunch of fancy tools. Okay, I'm gonna see if this one gets kind of close.
All right.
Take some more off. Okay,
Getting close. Here we go, y'all. Wish us luck. First piece down. You know, I'm glad we started with the smallest area, because the smallest areas are usually the hardest areas to work with, to work in.
This whole thing has not been very easy. And I thank my buddy Randy for his the tool that I used, the Craig jig.
Oh, yeah.
I have one, but my son has it in Georgia. But that Craig jig made a world of difference. It's like a puzzle.
Look at that! Oh, I'm excited.
First piece there.
Very good.
Hand me another one.
All right. Let's do another one. So now, we've just got to fill in the gaps here. Cut that piece back there. Awesome. I am loving this.